Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: clutch engagement, gear selection, and engine response. With engine warmed, place your left foot on the clutch and your right hand ready. Depress smoothly. Watch the tachometer to find the shift RPM, because shifting too early stalls and too late strains the engine. Once done, release the clutch progressively while adding throttle to avoid jerks. This establishes coordination between clutch friction and engine torque and prepares you for clean upshifts into higher gears. You now perform the upshift. Accelerate to the target RPM, then lift off the throttle briefly to unload the gearbox. Depress the clutch fully, move the shifter decisively into the next gear, and then release the clutch smoothly while reapplying throttle. This sequence prevents gear grinding and synchronizes engine speed with transmission input. Make sure to time throttle reapplication to match road speed, because proper cadence reduces wear and keeps the vehicle balanced during the transition from lower to higher ratio. You finish by learning controlled downshifts. Slow the car to the target speed, press the clutch, and select the lower gear before releasing the pedal. To avoid driveline shock, blip the throttle briefly while the clutch is disengaged. This raises engine RPM to match the lower gear. Release the clutch smoothly and modulate brakes if needed. If the shift feels harsh, immediately depress the clutch and retry the rev match. This troubleshooting tip prevents damage and helps you refine timing for consistent, smooth down.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.